Seems pretty simple. Don't have to worry about sound, do we?
That's the most important part. Anyway, it shouldn't be a problem because the camera has a built-in mic.
Automatic focus, automatic exposure. I don't know what you need me for.
To point the camera in the right direction. You think you can manage that?
Well, I'm not making any promises. Right, get over here.
Here?
Go to your left a fraction. Back to your right. And back to your left just a fraction. Yeah, that's really good. Okay. We're recording. Come on, do something.
What exactly do you expect me to do?
Oh, I don't know. I just want you moving.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now about to perform for you my famous double-back somersault.
You double what?
Don't tell me you don't remember.
I remember when we were kids, you tried to do some silly stunt to impress me and nearly broke your neck.
I dislocated my shoulder and I wasn't trying to impress you. You never did believe I could do that, did you? I only slipped that day because the grass was dead.
Yeah, whatever you say.
All right, you don't believe me. Watch this. Right. 1, 2.
Don't be silly.
I had you worried there for a minute.
It's only because if you kill yourself, I'll have to pay the rent and the camera.
I've already paid it.
Well, in that case, be my guest. What are they saying there about playback?
Playback. Should be here somewhere.